In the last 2 weeks, I've been uploading videos. No niche, no clear tone, just rough ideas. And that was intentional. I wasn't chasing the views. I was collecting something more valuable. Data. Data about myself, my content, me as a creator, because I think when you grow, you need to know where you're starting from. YouTube collecting data from us, like view minutes, impressions, and all other very important aspects for YouTube to show our videos to correct viewers, correct audience. But this data is also very valuable to us. We can use this data to actually find where we fail, to spot our weaknesses. This is what I was doing over this last 2 weeks. I've got the data, I know the answers, bear with me. So I built something I call now 5 square method. It is a simple tool I've created to spot exactly where my videos and my channels fall apart. It is a simple self-assessment tool to help me find out where my videos all fall apart. And based on this, I can find a way to fix it. When you're starting, there's still a huge amount of things you don't know how they work in real life, and trying to fix everything without any plan, this will quickly take you into the burnout zone and you will stop creating anything. Because when you are just starting out, everything requires a work, everything requires attention, and everything requires to get polished. 5 square method is the way to assess if and where my content needs attention and which I should focus first. So the first thing is the idea, second thing is the title, third thing is the thumbnail, fourth thing is the execution, filming and editing. 5 squares, each square plays a different role in the videos. I gave different percentage of importance. Let me show you how I rate all these 5 squares. The first one, idea, I gave 10%. Idea is everywhere. You've got ChatGPT, all this artificial intelligence. Title, I'm giving to title also 10% of importance in the video. Why? Because again, we've got the tools which we can use to generate the titles. Once we've got the idea, once we've got the script for our video, we can drop this into the ChatGPT or Gemini or any artificial intelligence tool, and those tools will generate for us very nice titles, strong keywords, and all job will be done. So 10% for that. Thumbnail, 15%. A great strong thumbnail is the first emotional connection we have with our viewers, so that's why this is very important. We use artificial intelligence and other tools to generate very nice, catchy, emotional thumbnails. First segments, first squares, taking 35% of the video power, in my subjective opinion. Now we came to film execution. This is real meat, most important part of the video, absolutely crucial. I gave this 50% of importance from the video. This is, I think, the most important part of the video. I remember the Pixar movie, that one with the lamp. Brilliant. The very basic idea, just lamp, but execution, filming and storytelling, masterpiece. So we can have the poor idea, but with a great storytelling we can make absolutely fantastic video. But you can't save the video even if the idea is great but very poor delivery. Finally, editing. I gave editing remaining 15% of the importance from the video. Editing is the glue that holds your story together. Good editing can boost pacing, clarify the structure, basically keep the viewers engaged. Even if you will outsource the video to great editors, if the delivery was poor, if an idea was great, that won't save the video. Okay, so now we are in the moment when I will reveal my scoring for the latest 10 videos. I've done it average self-assessment. That's why I've collected data for all these 10 videos, not just for one. The videos are from completely different niches, mix of everything. First of them is the idea. I give my ideas 55%. I can generate the idea quite easy, but still I need to work a little bit more. Probably when I will have my niche and the channel will be dedicated to one niche and I will follow that, the ideas will come easier and the ideas will be more interesting. I will get more views. Now I've got some clicks, I've got some views, but this is something not really amazing. The second thing is the title. I'm giving to my titles 60 to 65%. The next thing are the thumbnails. I've done it for my videos, and since the click-through rate is decent, not bad as for the first time, I know I can hit more emotionally. So this is something I will work, and I gave it 55% to my thumbnails. Now let's talk about the video execution and filming. This is where I'm really struggling. Let's start with the scoring. I gave myself 10%. This is my biggest problem. My story delivery is absolutely awful. I hate. People are dropping off in the first 20 seconds. Retention is low and I'm not telling the story well enough. So definitely that needs lots of improvement. And I can see it clearly in the analytics. Editing. I know DaVinci Resolve and I know how to use it on the level that is enough for now. The video still feels flat. There is no rhythm, no tensions. Editing is supposed to help hold the attention, but mine isn't doing that yet. Why all this matters? This method shows me where I'm falling short, and what is most important, show me where I should start with my improvements. So if you want to see continuation of this story, how I'm growing, how I'm improving myself as a video editor, as a storyteller, finally as a YouTuber, which is wrapping everything around, subscribe, smash that like button, hit the bell, share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next video.